Microscope. A microscope is composed of optical and focal lenses. The focal lenses converge rays of light to focus on one image. Microscopes allow you to see more than the human eye. Lenses are composed of glass. Glass is used in countless everyday objects, such as light bulbs, windows, eyeglasses, and even our phone screens.
The microscope was invented by Zacharias Janssen in the 1950s. It was first called a compound microscope made by putting two or more lenses in a hollow cylinder. The first lens at the top of the tube was the eyepiece, and the bottom lens is the objective lens that magnifies the image.
This is a scanning electron microscope image of the surface of glass. It forms as a non-crystalline structure, making it an amorphous solid. The main makeup of the microscope is its lenses. Lenses are made out of optical glass. Over time, the lenses of microscopes have been improved. At first, the images of early microscopes were distorted due to the low quality and imperfections of the lenses. The first thing that was fixed was the chromatic aberration, which is the unequal bending of colors. To fix this, it was discovered that adding a second lens realigns the colors from the first. Next is spherical aberration, so that the curvature bends the light equally and focuses the images more accurately.
The material that we chose to focus on is glass. The first naturally occurring glass was obsidian, also known as volcanic glass. It was carved into weapons and tools used by the early natives. Typical glass is made up of formers, fluxes, and stabilizers. Here we see our former, the largest component of glass, which is silicon dioxide.
This is calcium carbonate, our stabilizer. Stabilizers are added to make glass strong and water resistant. Without it, water and humidity would dissolve the glass.
This is sodium carbonate, our flux. This is added to lower the temperature that the formers will melt, making the process much easier and faster.
Glass gets melted at 3,000 degrees and takes 3 days for it to completely melt, hotter than molten lava. It then sits for an extra 10 hours to rid air bubbles. To make sure that it's completely flat, the glass is laid over a river of melted tin. Tin and glass do not go together because tin is denser, so the glass lays on top, resulting in a perfectly flat piece of glass.
Glass is a versatile building material as well as an essential optical aid. Glasses form the basic elements of virtually all optical systems. It's also used for its aesthetic appeal, such as that of fine glassware. It's been an integral part of history through color in cathedral windows and art glass, and etc.
Glass is 100% recyclable. In fact, the energy saving from recycling just one glass bottle will power a computer for 25 minutes,
A color TV for 20 minutes,
and even a washing machine for 10 minutes.
This reduces the release of CO2 into the atmosphere. The Container Recycling Institute in 2011 stated that recycling 1,000 tons of glass creates slightly over 8 jobs, improving the U.S. economy.
Thanks for watching!